Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see deleted messages on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Snapchat, and from here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner. Here is our profile, and from our profile we need to click on the settings to actually go to settings, clicking on the button with the gear icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down this list of settings until you will find a privacy control section and the last option in it, My Data. So you need to click on the My Data and wait until this interface will load. Here basically you will need to log into your account, but if you're already logged in, you will have this interface opened, and now you can choose what information you want to download from Snapchat servers, because every single information, every single message, every single story, everything is located on Snapchat servers, and you can easily download it clicking on this My Data button. So here you need to tick what you want to download. In our case it's just chat history, so I will uncheck all these options right here and leave only chat history. Then I need to click on the next button in the bottom left corner. Here I need to choose the date range. So if you have deleted messages only from yesterday, you need to choose here yesterday, or from the last week, it depends on your messages. Then you need to confirm your email, so simply on this email address will be sent all the information. Now when you're ready, you need to click on the submit button in the bottom right corner, and all the information you will get on your email address. And basically that is it. That is how you can see deleted Snapchat messages, and that is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.